Okay, so to do path animation in Maya, all you have to do is use two different tools, namely the EP Curve tool along with the Constrain tool. So if I'm in my poly modeling menu, I'm going to go ahead and switch to Curve Surfaces, and I'm going to click on the EP Curve tool, and that allows me to actually click and drag out a path. I can simply hit Q to end that path. If you notice, Maya goes ahead and puts it flat for us, which is really handy. Now to edit this and actually give it some depth, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Edit Point. Now I can see my little purple points that I can then go ahead and drag up and adjust the overall animation. So pretty simple. And then once you're done, you can just right click and go to Object Mode. There we go. Okay, so now to actually attach something to the line, I'm going to go ahead and make a cone. That way we can see what the front of the cone is. I'm going to scale it down a little bit. So I'm going to select the cone, then I'm going to hold Shift and select the path. With both of those selected, I'm going to switch to my Animation tab, and then I'm going to go to my Constrain tab, right here, Constrain, Motion Paths, Attach to Motion Path. That's going to go ahead and put it on for me. Then I can go to Motion Path 1 over here and look at our twist values to find the one that actually puts it pointed correctly. So if I do like a front twist of 90, that's obviously not it. So I'll hit 0. If I go to up twist of 90, that's not it. So let me do a side twist of 90. That's it, but now it's going backwards, so I'll do a negative 90. And now it's locked on. So now it's actually going to sit there and run the entire path, which is pretty cool. Now, one thing you may have noticed is that I only had 1 through 120 frames here. So let me go ahead and increase that to 200. And we can see there's my keyframe that's locking my path to 120. So I'm going to go ahead and right click that. I'm going to cut that. I'm going to go to 200, right click, and I'm going to paste that. So now it's going to take all 200 frames to go along that path instead of 120. And that's it.